Vendor lock-in, complex licensing, and price gouging shouldn't be the standard for network upgrades. Some hardware vendors seem convinced these are normal costs. Now, Pica8 offers a software alternative for networking freedom. It isn't hard, it's software. Enterprises have discovered a better solution with the all-in-one switch automation software platform from Pica8. Our platform combines the AmpCon network controller software and Pico switching software with true enterprise-grade support for campus, data center, and distributed site networks. Buy a single software license, which includes the AmpCon network controller and blocks of Pico software switches with support to run on any white box hardware you choose with no restrictions. Networking software from Pica8 gives you unmatched visibility, flexibility, and automation with benefits such as buy once, own it forever, run it anywhere. Immunity from hardware price increases or system changes. Cost containment, regardless of capacity or throughput configurations. Our customers have more freedom and can do more with less, something every C-level executive can appreciate and every network operator can use. With Pica8, networking isn't hard, it's software.